Hi, this is Quinn at Kaizink, and Trainual is the software that we use for all of our training and where we keep all of the documentation on all of our processes. And when we started using it, set it up a bit different than how it's set up today. Trainual through a lot of changes since then and improved how their website looks and how things are set up. So the way we originally set it up isn't super intuitive anymore. So all of our stuff, as you can see, content, it's all under this Kaizink tab. And so our policies and our processes tabs, so we're going to make an improvement to it. All right, so now under the All Content tab, you have everything. And if you go under the Kaizink tab, it's just the things that relate to the company's policies and processes now holds all of those departmental processes. And continue building it out in a way that's easy to use and easy to find the information.